Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the alter table statement in SQL to modify the structure of an existing table in your database. You may do this to add SQL constraints to the tables or fields in the table if you did not do them when initially creating the table. Some relational database management systems may even allow you to use the alter table statement to assign a primary key constraint by using the alter table statement, although that is much more likely to be required within the create table statement in most systems. You can also use this statement to add, edit, or delete fields within a table if needed. The core SQL of the alter table statement when used to add a field to a table is shown below. Note that the table name parameter is the name of the table into which you want to insert the field. The field name parameter is the name of the field, and the data type parameter is the data type of the field. So the core SQL is alter table, table name parameter, add, field name parameter, data type parameter. Let's take a moment and look at an example of this in Access 2013. So here you can see the My Table table, and we're going to add a field for last name to this table. So the SQL would be alter table my table, add last name, data type text, and the semicolon. So when we execute this statement and then look at the my table design, we can see we've added the field. Now the core SQL of the alter table statement when used to delete a table field is now shown on screen. Note that the table name parameter is the name of the table from which you want to remove the field, and the field name parameter is the name of the field to delete. Note that some database systems will not allow you to delete a column. Others simply require that any primary key or foreign key constraints on a column first be removed before the field is deleted to protect the referential integrity of the database. The core SQL of this statement is alter table, table name, drop column, field name. You can also use the alter table statement to modify the data type of fields or add SQL constraints to fields within a table. Note that the SQL used to accomplish this will vary more significantly with each relational database management system. The core SQL for most systems is shown below. Note that the pipe symbol is used to denote alternate commands in different systems in this example, and the parenthetical commands are either required or not, once again depending upon the RDBMS used. In the examples shown, table name is the name of the table, field name is the name of a field, data type is the data type of the field, and SQL constraint is the SQL constraint. The next example shows the core SQL used to change the data type of a field within a table. So the core SQL is alter table, then the table name parameter. Then depending on the RDBMS, it's either modify column or alter column, then the field name parameter, and then the data type parameter. Now the next example shows the core SQL used to add or remove an SQL constraint. In this example, it's alter table, table name, then either add or drop depending on whether you're adding or dropping the constraint, and then the constraint keyword, which may or may not be required by your RDBMS, followed by the actual name of the SQL constraint to add or remove. The following hyperlinks contain helpful information about the vendor-specific implementation of the alter table statement within MySQL 5.7, SQL Server 2012, and Access 2013.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.